Hi wonderful people, I hope you are well and good. You are highly welcome back to my channel. My name is projectsDiy. If this is the first time of you checking on my channel, please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to tap on the notification bell for you to be notified each time I upload new video. In this tutorial today, I would like to teach you how to read your tape measure easily and understand. So this is my tape measure now. I've drafted it on the pattern paper for you to understand. So from the tip of my tape measure here, this is it. This is the tip of my tape measure, and all these small lines are called 8, because if you count from this line till this, it is 8 stroke. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, as you can see, and another one till you reach 2 inch should be 8 strokes. Let's count it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So all these small lines are called 8. And this line that is near to it, that is longer to it a little bit, is called quarter, as you can see. So, and this one is called half, as you can see. So the biggest one is called inch. So from here till this one now is 1 inch, and from here, so for you to recognize, if you want to take your measurement, this is 8 quarter, this is 1/8 quarter, 3/8 half, 5/8 3/4, 7/8 and 1 inch. Let me take it again for you to understand. This is 1/8 quarter, 3/8 half, which is 0.5, 5/8 3/4, which is also called 0.75, 7/8, then 1 inch. For you to understand, let me take it again. 1/8 quarter, which is also called 0.25, 3/8 half, which is also called 0.5, 5/8 3/4, which is also called 0.75, 7/8, and this is 1 inch. So let me explain to you how to join it together. So if you want to measure 1 and 1/8, from here to this place is 1/8. From here till this place is 1/8. From here till this place is 1/4. As you can see, because I said earlier on that these lines is quarter, as you can see. So from here now till this place is 1/3/8, and from here till this place is 1.5, which is 1.5. So from here now till this place is 1/5/8. From here now till this place is 1/3/4. You can even call it 1.75. So from here now till this place is 1/7/8, 1.78. From here now till this place is 2 inches. So guys, I hope you understand what I taught today. If so, give me giant thumbs up, subscribe to my channel to support my channel, and don't hesitate to join my Facebook group Details to Sewing, created by projectsDiy. I'm on Instagram and Twitter at projectsDiy. Till I see you in my next video guys, stay cool, stay calm, stay safe. Bye bye.